Let's see. We may have to zoom in on it here. You can see it beating back there. That little
Yeah, I see
flicker
it.
right there. We'll just zoom in here.
Oh, I see it. Yay, my baby has a heartbeat.
That is perfect.
How many beats
It's
was that?
166 beats per
Oh
minute.
God, does that mean it's gonna be a girl?
Yeah, we never pay attention to that, so I don't know it.
You know that old wives' tale that
I
if it's
know.
really fast heartbeat, then it's a girl, and if it's a
Right.
slow heartbeat, then it's a boy.
Yep, we haven't tried to prove or disprove that. Everything is looking really good though. So this is the baby. This is called a little yolk sac. Okay, that's not part of the baby. And measuring from top to bottom on the baby here. That goes with your menstrual period dating perfectly.
Yeah.
The baby's 1.28 centimeters long, so
Okay.
just about half an inch long.
Okay.
And looking just perfect. Okay.
Sweet.